how to design a very good full functional VTU website. And just look at this particular VTU website you're seeing here. This is exactly what we're going to design in just few minutes. So if you're interested to learn how to design this kind of website and start using it to make money, then pay attention to this video, because I'm going to show you everything you need. I'm going to show you the scripts, the latest scripts that gives you the functionality to buy data online, recharge your electricity, also check your NICO result or WIAC result, make transfer from one bank to another bank. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to design that kind of website. And this VTU website, you can use it to make money. You can sell your data on that platform, sell your airtime on that platform, and at the same time make good money. Okay, it's very simple to set up, so I'm going to show you how to set it up, and you're going to see how simple it is, so that you can easily start making your own cool cash. And one of the good things is that if you don't want to start stressing yourself to build your front end, you can use this particular front end. Okay, as you can see here, you can use this particular front end and do little customization. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to be able to have your VTU website up and running. But before then, I'll walk you through on exact type of website you're going to create, okay, and how to do that. So let's go. Now, I have one of the VTU websites we designed for our client. This is designed by my company, and I'm going to show you exactly what we did there that made it easy for Rocks to set up this website in just few time. Okay, and one of the good thing again you need to know is that this setting up of this website is very easy. Okay, so now let's just go straight. I've registered with the website, but before then I will just walk you through to see the interface, you know, how good the interface is. Okay, all right, so you can see that. This is great. This is great. So let me just quickly log in, because I've already registered with this particular website. Okay, so let me quickly log in to show you the user's end. All right, so this is my email. And this is my password already imputed to it. I buy data from this particular website. Okay, I designed it for the company, and we also use that to recharge and all that. So I'm going to log in now. I'll click. This is my email. This is my password. It's already there. So I'll click, and let me show you how the user interface is. Fine, good. So this is how the user interface is. Very great. So here is your dashboard, and this is my name. I am not a reseller. If I want to actually be buying data or buying services from the website, I'm a reseller making my own cool cash, then I can upgrade here. And let me just click and show you what it's going to look like. So you see, so I can just click there, and I will credit my wallet. Once I credit my wallet, I'll be given the opportunity to start partnering with the company and selling data to users. Okay, so but now I am not a partnering with them in terms of selling and making money, but I'm going to show you how you can also register with them and start using that to make money, or set up the same kind of website and start making good money. So this is the user interface. Let me just take you back again, and let's see the user interface. Here at the user interface, you see airtime and data. Let me click that. So this particular script gives you the opportunity to say any kind of airtime, be it MTN, Airtel, Glow, all right, and 9 Mobile. Okay, as you can see that you can also add your own services. You can add any other of your own services which you want, and you start making that good money. All right, so I will just quickly take you guys again to B payment. Under the B payment, you have your electricity bills. You can recharge your electricity, you can recharge your Go TV, and also we can also recharge generate your token. Okay, now let me take you to the more options. You have NICO. You can check your NICO result, and you can also check your WASC result, that is WIAC result, and you can transfer money. This is another very good interesting part of this script. Okay, this script has the options that you can easily transfer money to any of your customer or your friends, family and friends by easily clicking on that interface here. As you can see, let me just click on that so that you see. Let me see, send money, and by the time you click on transfer money, you select your bank, any bank you want to send money to. We have all the banks here. You select that, enter the account number of the recipient, the amount you want to send, and you click proceed. Once you click proceed, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN that will enable the transfer, or to enable the transfer to the second party or to the third party. All right, so this script is available, so if you need it, just write me, DM me, and I'll send it to you with just little amount of money. You have the script and you make thousands of naira from it. I've been using this script and I've created a lot of websites, VTU website for most of my clients, and I've making that cool cash. So if you want to know how to actually use this VTU script and also start generating passive income at the same time, making money for creating the same kind of website for clients, then watch this video to the end, and you can easily write me, DM me, shut me up, and you have the script, both the front end and the back end. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the good features of this particular script. Let's just go to bulk SMS. You can send bulk SMS instead of wasting much money sending it through your phone. You can send bulk SMS from here. You just have to credit your wallet, and that is. Let me show you the option of crediting wallet. So click this credit wallet. So if you credit wallet, you want to credit your wallet, you can enter the amount you want, and let's see. Then you can use your ATM. You can use your ATM card and enter your account name. Is that your ATM card or your cash? You can also use the Bitcoin. You can also make transfer on this platform using Bitcoin. Okay, so your account will be credited. I don't want to buy the credit now, so I'm just showing you the interface, how it works, and what you're expecting to get once you get the script. Okay, now let's go to the television section, TV section. You can see that it also has buy airtime and data, electricity. We've checked that out. Payment, transactions. You can check your transaction histories here. Let me click on that, and it's going to take you to the section where you've done a transaction. This is the last transaction I did. Okay, 7,000 naira, as you can see that. All right, I did that on the 29th of September. All right, so the script is really very good. Okay, then you can also go to setting. Let me show you some of the features again in setting. Let's look at how the setting looks like. Okay, setting. Under the setting here, you can change your password. If you wish to change your password as a user, you can easily change that and you're good to go. Then if you want to become a reseller, maybe you want to partner with the company and start buying data from them and reselling them, making your own profit, then you can come to the reseller option here and you can set up your portal. All right, you can set up your portal. Once you click on that, it will take you to this particular section. You upgrade, make a payment, and you start selling data as a user. You must necessarily have this website as your own. You can partner with somebody who has it already and start making your own money. But the good thing is, if you still want to have the script and have it all to yourself and start making that money, then I would advise you to go for the scripts. Just write me or chat me, inbox me, and you will have the scripts. All right, so I've shown you how to easily get this and how the good interface about that. So we're going to start setting it up. Then after setting it up, we'll be able to see the admin backend and the user backend. This is the user backend I've shown you. So I'm going to show you the admin backend. I cannot show you the admin backend from this because I am just a user. I'm not given that admin permission. Okay, but when we set it up, I'm going to show you the admin backend and how it looks like and how to use that. So to do that, you need to log into your hosting. First of all, you have to get a hosting and a domain, and to buy the hosting and the domain, I usually recommend Namecheap. Namecheap is a very good platform whereby you can host this kind of scripts and start making money. So I'll quickly open my Namecheap account and restart the configuration, the setup of this VTU script. So just follow through and see how it's gonna look. All right, so let's follow through now. Okay, so let's log in. All right, so I'm logging into my cPanel. All right, so I'm going to click that and I'm going to log into my cPanel. Now, once you're in your cPanel interface, go straight to the File Manager section. Okay, let me just scroll down and take you to the File Manager section. Here's the File Manager section. All right, you can click here and to take you to where you start your configuration. And if you're not able to locate it from this section, you can do that from the search. Just type File Manager here, File, and automatically it comes out. So you can click on that. It should not take you to this option. Now let me take you back again and show you that I can still get it from this section here. So when you click on this, it takes you to this same section. Now once you are in this place, the next thing you need to do is to upload your script. But once you want to upload your script, you upload your script to the public_HTML folder. All right, so this is the public_HTML folder. So I'm going to click on the public_HTML folder and let me delete some of this file. Let me delete some of this file. See here. Okay, let me delete that. All right, so I'm going to delete this folder. I'm going to delete this folder. All right, fine. I have some folders here before now, so that is why I just want to delete them. But there's no problem. I can just leave that and create more folders. All right, so let me create a new folder. Let me say portal, and let me create that. Now I have my portal here. The next thing I need to do is to upload my script into the portal section. All right, is to upload my script into the portal section. So I'm going to click on this and then go to upload. Click on the upload. I will now upload the VTU script. Okay, fine. So this is my VTU script. Once you click select, it will take you to your desktop, locate the file, and you upload it. First of all, I have my VTU front end, so I'm going to upload this first. And I'm going to select again. This time around, this VTU, I'm going to upload that. So let's hold on while it's upload. So it's uploading now. Let's hold on. I just want to show you everything and how we do that. Okay, so just let's be patient and let it upload. So let's hold on while it's uploading. So we have 21% of that is uploading, 21%. So let's still hold on, 22% now. Just be patient, it's going to be done soon. Now then you're expert. So it's okay. It's uploading. I have a call. Wow, I have a call. Who is calling me? It's not the time for me to pick a call. I'll call you later. All right, this is uploading, but it's taking a little bit time. All right, it's uploading, but it's taking a little bit time. So let's hold on. Let's hold on. Okay, because of time, I think I'm going to pause it and quickly upload that, but let's just wait a little bit and see. Let's just hold on and see if it's going to be faster. So let's be patient. I'm going to fast it, and because of time, let me just pause and do that faster, upload it faster, then continue showing you. So I have successfully uploaded the scripts. So we have the front end and the main script uploaded now. So as you can see that, let me just show you. This is the front end of the VTU script, and this is the VTU main script. Okay, so the next I need to do is to click back and to take us back to the file. Good. So we have these two files here. All right, we have these two files here. Remember, you can still customize your own, you can still design your own front end, but if you don't want to pass through that tracks, then you can use this my own front end and do little customization. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to unzip these two files. We're going to unzip these two files. Okay, so to unzip these two files, I'm going to click this and right click on that and extract it. I'm going to extract this front end directly into my portal, my public underscore HTML. Okay, this particular file is going to go into public underscore HTML. So I'm going to right click that and I'm going to click on extract. So I'll delete this portal and I'll leave it to under / public underscore HTML. Then I will extract it. Good, the extraction is done. The extraction is done. So now let's go and check where it is. Now click on this and we have this here. So I clicked on public underscore HTML and we have this particular file here. Okay, let's go up a little bit. Okay, good, this is the file. Okay, so this is the file. So the next we need to do is to start working on it. All right, we start working on that. So the next thing we're going to do again is go back to this public underscore HTML again, and this time around we are going to extract this particular folder, this VTU latest version. We're going to extract that. Okay, extract. So once we click on extract, we're going to extract it now into this folder, to the folder we created. Okay, so it's extracting, done extracting. So we have the folder here. So this is the folder. So click the folder, you see the script files here. Then we have to select all the script files and move them to our portal. Move this to our portal. So we're going to move it into the portal file that we created. Remember, we've created a portal file. So move this file and up it we go. Let's go back and check our portal file to see if the files are there. Good. So we have all the files there. All right, we have all the files there. Then the next thing to do is to upload our database, the database that will be running this particular website. So we need to upload it. So to upload the database, we have to exit this place. First of all, we need to exit that, then go to our database option. So let's quickly do that. So we're going to upload that. So to upload that, let's go back to our cPanel again. Let me take you to cPanel again, and this time around you go to the section PHP MyAdmin. All right, but before then we need to create a password, create a database, and so we have to go to MySQL database wizard and click that. So once you click on that, it's going to bring us to this place. Let's create a database. So we are going to give our database a name. So I'm going to use VTU. Okay, I'm going to use VTU sites, VTU site to be the name. I'm then click on create. Then and this section here, so create database username. So the username we're going to create here, let's just put generate first. Okay, generate best password. Let's hold on. Let's say the username VTU site 1. Let me use VTU site 1. Then let me generate a password for that. Generate, fine, and copy this password. I'll copy that. I'll click on I have copied and click on use. All right, so once I copy this password, I'll have to keep it somewhere. Let me create a new. I'm going to paste this password here. All right, so I'm going to paste this password here. So let me take this. Let's take this to this side. Now I have this password here. I'll click on create. So once I click on create, it gives me the username and the database name. So I'll copy this again. I'll copy this again, and I'll go to this section here, post it on my notepad because I will use that. So the next thing is to click this option, grant all privileges. So we'll grant all privileges. You'll now click on next. And let's see. Awesome. So our database has been created. Our database name and information has been created. So we need to upload the database, the MySQL data file now. So to do that, we have to go back. Let me return home and go back again, this time to this section here, database section, then go to PHP MyAdmin. So in the PHP MyAdmin, we have to click on that, then upload our files. So let's hold on a little bit while I redirect us to where we will upload our file. Now this is the section where we are going to upload our file. Now remember, we created a database. We created a database, and this is the database that we created, VTU site. So always remember the name of the database you created. Very important, because if you don't remember the name, you cannot do the connection. So always remember the database that you've created, the name of the database, so that you'll be able to do the connection to your VTU site. So we're going to click on this particular one. Going to click on this. So once you click on that, we will now go to imports. Click on this and click on choose files. So let's go down this time around and let's see. Let me look for where I saved this file. So let's look for that. Okay, I think it's on my desktop. Okay, so let me look for the file on my desktop. Yes, this is the file. So I'm going to click that and upload it. So once that is done, I'll click import. Good, our file has been imported correctly. So we have our database creation successfully. We have imported it. We have been able to create a database name. We have been able to import the MySQL file. So this time around now is to connect our database with our site. Okay. Then to connect that, we need to go back to this file again, to this portal that we created before. Then look for the file VTU admin. So click on this VTU admin and look for this particular file. Let's look for DB. Let's look for DB. Let's look for the file. Oops. Okay, so let's look for this file now. Where is this db.php? Let's look for db. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Let me look for that here. That's good. So this is the file. Okay, this is the file. So db.php. So we have to right click and click edit and edit. So once you click on that, it should take us to where we'll do the connection. So here is the interface where all the connections will be made. All right, now if you look at this, we have a database name here. We're going to replace this particular section here with our own database name. All right, so let's go back to that, our database name, database. So copy this. Make sure you don't do that mistake of copying the empty space. So copy that and we bring it here and delete this section here. Good. So we delete this section. All right, so we have successfully deleted this section. Then we also put this database name here. Come down below and look for database as well, and also replace this with database name. Okay, then go back again. This time around we're going to copy the user name. Remember, we created our username, so we're going to copy this username here and come back to the username in this section. Delete this particular username here, impute yours, then still go down and look for username, delete that and impute your own as well. Good. Then the next thing is to put the password. So we have to go back again, copy the password we generated then when creating our database and impute it here. So look for password section here and we're gonna do that. So that's, go down again, look for password, you delete and paste. So we are done with the connection. The next thing to do is to click save changes. All right, let's just text our site and see if it's going to come up. So let's say lancerjob.com. Okay, lancerjob.com, it has shown. So let's see. Fine, good, we have that. So this is our site. All right, so we're going to look at, we have this site already. We're going to click sign up and let's see. Now it brings us to this section. All right, it brings us to this section. So in this place we're going to input our own information. You have to connect the sign up section, okay, because this is not really what it so we're going to connect our own. So to do that, we'll go back and start connecting it. Come to this and click, let's go to our database user, go to the portal, then go to this, let's look for login, let's look for login page. Okay, let's look for login here. Okay, let's go a little bit back again and search. Let's look for the login pages. Okay, fine. We have login here. Okay, front. This thing sometimes can be funny. You have to come down to look for where you do your connections. So our connection has been done. Okay, let's see. Let's still look for that. The PHP add folder. Okay, we have admin. Okay, so let's try to check again and see how this is going to go. Let's go to our home page and let's click on this first and see what will happen. Good. So this is the admin section. All right, this is the admin section. So already the information is there. Let's see if it's going to log us in to the back end, to the admin back end. It's taking a little bit time. Invalid. Okay, let me put in my password. Let's see. Good. This is great. So we've been logged in. All right, let me update that. We've been logged into the admin back end. All right, so if you need this script, just DM me. I will send you the script at a very cheap price and I'll give you the login details for you to check. All right, so let's now look at the features. Remember, before this video started, I explained some things that I'm going to show you the admin back end when we do the connection. But what I showed before now was the user's back end. All right, because this script has both the user back end and the admin back end. So I'm going to show you now the admin back end and the services you can easily have. So here, this is the admin back end, and you see payment sections here, payment notification. You can see that. You can check your customer, view all customers. There are no entry here because I'm just using this as a tutorial to show you how to set it up. Then we have this. Let's see, services. Let's look at the services, view services. All right, so these are the services that we have. Look at, we have the electricity bill. You can subscribe your light, your electricity. You can also subscribe your Gold TV, your VTU. You can buy your airtime, have DXTV, WIC, result checking, EDC, bulk SMS, and the rest. See all the services that you can have. And one of the good things is that if you have another services that's not inclusive to this place, you can easily add it by going to services and you click on add new services. Let me just show you. Well, let me just add something so that you see that this is actually working. So let me just bring in this. Okay, let me just bring that in. Let me say I'm going to use my picture as that. Then my URL, let me use this particular URL as the service, and the name, let me just say let me put the services phone. Okay, let's say digital skill. Let me use digital skill. Digital skill as the services. So by the time I have this and I click add, oh sorry, I'm going to let me put this here, and the button then should be subscribe. I think I'm correct. Am I correct in this spelling? All right, let me add this service and let's see. Good. You see, has been uploaded successfully. So let's now go to the services. Let's view the services and see if that will be there. You see, so I've added the new services. So this is the service I just add with my picture, and you can see that this script is actually very nice. So we can also check other services here. See the billing section. Go to billing and see transfer money transfer charges. You know, like I told you before now, that this script has a section whereby you can transfer money from one bank to another bank, and when you are doing that transaction, you can easily charge your users, that is your customers, some percentage of money as their transaction charges. So you can just set it up the percentage you want here. If you want 2% of all the transactions being made on the platform, you can click 2% here and you save. So whenever they transfer money using your platform to friends and family or for businesses, then you can easily have your percentage credited automatically to your own bank account. So you see, this script is very nice. Okay, this is the latest script, so it's very, very nice. So this is your API section, your API setting. You can put your payment gateway, that is the API gateway. You can also integrate your API, airtime, electricity, TV, and the rest. So let's go to settings. Your security, you can change the security here, and rest. You can change admin login details from there, and let's check something next. All right, so let's go to the site setting and set up the site. There's something very important we need to also set up in the site to enable people register successfully. Okay, so we have this, and let's give it that save site logo. I'm going to use something. Let me put in the site logo. Let's use this as the site logo. Let me use that as a site logo. And let's click change logo. So let's change the logo. All right, so the logo has been changed successfully. It's going to appear here. Good. So this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo. So the next thing we want to do now is to change this. Let's see, could the recaptcha to enable people register successfully. We're going to choose this section. So validate request in the background, validate request with an I am not a robot. Always choose this section and choose this two, choose this one. So the next thing is to bring in your domain. Let's bring in our domain name. Let's bring in our domain name. Say add domain name here. Okay. You can put this label if you want. Say Lancer job. That's our label. That's the name that you want. Then let's submit this and see. So let's remove these parts and submit again. Good. So we have this. So we're going to copy this key, go back to this section here, and we have to delete this, input our new key, go back to this section again, copy this key and go back again, delete this section this time around and save your key. Here you can input your phone number. And put my phone numbers. So 2 2 3 4 708 80727. Sorry, it should be 7. Okay, 7 is even there already. 847273676. Then here I can put in my email. gmail.com. All right, so everything is been set up here. The EP name, portal name, I can say Lancer Job. That's the name of the domain. Lancer's Job. All right, so I'll click Save Changes. So everything has been set up and saved successfully. I'm going to show you why this is important when we go to the user interface. All right, so these the services, as you can see, let's look at the debit, see the wallet. You can create a wallet from here, and can credit your wallet. So we are going to configure the user login, right? So let's just do that. Let's copy this. Okay, let's go to the front end. Sorry. Now we have this, so the login detail will be here. Let's look at that. Let's copy this address again, go to this page and type Lancer / this. Let's see what it's going to show. Good. So this is showing us admin login. All right, let's just go back again. This time around, let's look for the register page. Let's go up a little and look for register.php. Let's look for register.php. So the next thing we need to do now is to connect our front end. Let me just show you. Let's say Lancer. Let me show you something now. This is not connected. So if you click on this particular section, let me show you. It shows 404. It means it's not really connected to our website, our database. So we need to connect it. So to do that, we have to go back again. Let's go back this time around and let's see. Remember our path that we created? There's the portal. So let's type this path now, Lancer, with the name of the website / our portal, the folder we created, then /login. So let's click this and see what's going to happen. Fine, it gives us this user login interface. So the next we want to do is to copy this link. Just go straight, copy this link, go back to our file public_html, and let's edit this file here, this index.html. So we're going to click on edit and let's look for where we have login. So we're going to click on find. Let's type login now. Good. So this is where we have the login. So we're going to bring in this. Good. So we have this here now, and we click. Let's click sign up. All right. So by the time, let's reload this page. Now let's say Lancer, and let's click on that. Let's see what is going to still. reloading. Still reloading. Let's see. Oh, sorry, we need to save the changes. All right, so we are there, and let's see. It's still showing this, so let's still go back and see how we can correct that. Let's go back to that guy. There's a line of code, and let's click save changes. Okay, so let's delete this, and let's click save changes, and let's see what will happen. All right, so let's reload this page again. Okay, and let's go to our site, Lancer job. Then this is a cache problem. There's a cache problem. It's supposed to reload. It's supposed to reload us. All right, there's a cache problem from our browser. Let's go back again and check our line of code again and see where the fault is coming from. Okay, login, fine, this is correct. Let's see if I can use another browser here. Opera. So let me see if I can use this browser, because that is a caching problem from my browser. Let's use this Opera. Let me paste this. Let's paste this. Good. See, so it's showing us that. So it's a caching problem actually. So it's giving us rightfully what we need. So let's look at this and type Lancer now. lancersjob.com. So let's type and see. All right, so here we are. So let's click on this. Good, so it's working. The link is actually working. So we are here. This is our logo we imputed that time. So the next thing we need to do here is to also connect our register. Okay, so that people who want to register on our platform and start buying data from us can easily do so. So I'll click on create account, then copy that link again. Copy this link, and let's go back to that our browser where we have that as a, let me click this, let me close that. So let's say Lancer. Okay, so we have sign up here. So we'll go back to the same guy again. Let me take you, go back to the same guy again. That is index.html under public_HTML. So let's go back to this and click on edit, and click on edit, then Control F to bring this, then type sign up to take you to the link. So this is the link of the sign up. So we're going to delete this and we are going to take it off, then bring in that link that we copied. Let's go down. So this link, let me copy this link again, then go back to this particular place and paste it. So once you paste it, you click on save changes. All right, so let's reload and see what will happen. Okay, so we have this. check. Okay, let me use Chrome to check that. Sorry, let me use Opera. So it's Lancer. Let's open this. We have it here, Lancer. So let's click on sign up and see. Good. So all the links are now functional. Now we have this. Let me register on this site and see how it works. I'm going to put digital. That's my name. Digital. And Omaka. So I'm going to use my email. Let me say Javia. I just wish this email is correct. It's been long I used that. gmail.com. Let me enter my password. Let me enter my phone number. Then I'll click I am not a robot. And let me click create. So let me enter a valid phone number. So I'm going to come again. Let me use this time around digital again. Digital. And here I have Omaka. And I have Javia. Okay. Let me use this. Let me use this this time around. Okay. So this is the phone number. Let me check. I think 07084727676. And let's create and see. Good. Say I should verify. Okay, so I need to verify because that code will be sent to my email. So let me see if I can get that email. Okay, so let me check the email now. Let me check my email and see if I actually got the mail. If I actually got the mail. Okay. So let me check my spam email. So you see, this is the verification code sent to my email, Lancer's job. Okay, but what you need to do before this verification, before this thing starts working, before you start sending the verification code, you need to set up a webmail. All right, I'm going to show you how to actually set up that webmail, but let me just show you how this works, then show you how to set up the webmail. All right, so I'm going to copy this code. Let me copy this code and activate my subscription. So we are going to, good, account successfully created. I send it, so it's showing me this, so I can log in with my email or my phone number. So let me try my phone number, 070 78 0707847277676. Okay, then let me put this. So click on that, now click this, then see. Good. So you see, I'm now a registered member in this newly created site. So very simple as ABC. All right, but before you will be able to, before your site will be able to send email verification to your client, you need to set up an email account with your host. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to create that. Okay, so let's go to, let me take you to my data, my cPanel. Scroll down to where you have email. Good, this is email, so you create an email account. If you don't create this particular email account, your site will never or will not be able to send the verification code for customers to register. So this is the mail, so I'm going to create a new email. You can just use click here to create that email. Use the name of your site. You can use that, let's say Lancer. Usually advise you use the name of your site. You can use Lancer, then enter your password which you want to use. So enter your password, then you click create. Okay, the errorcanjob.com already exists. Okay, let me use Lancers. Okay, and let me create that. Good, creating email successful. So we have this email. Okay, we have this email. So once you create this email like this, then if a user should come to your website and register, it will be able to send that authentication code to your users to be able to register. But I'm not going to already have created this, so I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete this particular. So I'm going to be using this. So once you go to the site and you register, it will log you in automatically. Awesome, right? You would say. So let me just show you again. Lancer, and you can go to your sign up. So go to your sign up, you enter your detail. Let me say Omaka this time around, Omaka, and this time around let me use this email, javierperez@gmail.com. I'm going to use my password, and I'm going to use, let me use this password. Then I'm going to use another phone number, let's say 080636995352, and I'm going to click this I'm not a robot. Then I'll click that. A verification code has been sent already, so let me check my inbox and see. Let me check my inbox. This is the inbox, and see if the email has arrived. Probably I made a mistake, I don't know, but let me see. I think I did not make a mistake. You sure I entered the correct? Oh man, I made a mistake in the email. Made a mistake in the email address. I made a mistake. So let me still go in there again and try to create. Let me register again. Let's sign up and let's have this. Let me put this. Let me put one. Let me put this. Let me put. Create an account. Okay, so an account code, verification code has been sent. So let me check that account now. Good. You see that? So the email has been sent immediately. Lancer's job, look at that. So I'm going to copy this code and verify my account. Once I do that, see, account created successfully. So I'm going to log in with my phone number, the new one, 0063699352. Then I'll enter my password. Click that. Good. See, so I've been logged in automatically. So you see that? Very nice. All right, very nice. So this is how to connect your web. This is how to connect your VTU website. So it's a very simple thing you can do, not difficult. It's a very simple stuff you can do. It's not difficult. If you wish to get the scripts, do not hesitate. You can DM me and I'll send you the script immediately for you to use. All right, at a very low cost, you have access to this particular script. So if this video interests you and you are really learning from it, please do not hesitate to give it a like and share, comment, because it's important. And whatever observation you have, do not hesitate to contact me. If you need any help, I'm already available for you. This is how to set it up. If you need any help or you need a script, just DM me and I'll send it to you without delay at a very cheap cost. You will have that. Please like the video, comment. If you are getting values from the video, please like it, comment and subscribe and share it as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.